10th time!
Baron.
Hang on, I'm gonna get this. Hang on a second.
Push it all the way down.
Okay.
Like, keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Hang on. What was that?
Are you almost in? Now, instead of pulling it like this,
Okay.
pull it like this.
See that, Dad? Is that working for you? No, it's not working!
Stop, stop, stop.
You gonna make an honest man out of me now?
I'm not touching you. You're appropriate. Go ahead and push it down in.
Okay. I just... I didn't mean this! This is not what I meant! Damn it! Make it happen, Dad. That's not how I do this wrong. Oh! Not working for you now.
We'll figure it out. We've got time. Interesting.
Just get me home.
Let go.
I'm gonna go. I'm good. I'm done. Hands up.
Your land's up.
Hands up. I'm not doing this anymore. Your car's poopy.
There we go.
Yeah! All the way. Gosh, dang it.
Oh.
Damn it. Quit a biddle.